John Real Casimero. The last time he was in the UK, he beat Charlie Edwards, he knocked him out. He'll be looking to knock you out as well. What are you going to do to stop him?
I'm gonna break him.
Mga tol, kamusta? Gusto bang makakita ng bakbakan na tunay na labanan? Balitang boxing, pag-uusapan, nag-aapoy ang bawat laban.
Matapos madepensa ng Pinoy na si Casimero ang kanyang WBO interim bantamweight title mula sa tigasing Mexican boxer na si Cesar Ramirez ng Mexico.
That's it.
Oh, what a
we knew it was happening.
beautiful ending to this fight.
Nagawa pang dumayo dito sa Pilipinas kung saan pinabagsak ito ni Casimero ng 4 na beses mismo sa harap ng pambansang kamao na si Manny Pacquiao sa laban na naganap sa San Andres Sports Center sa Malate, Manila. Nakakalipas lang 3 buwan mga bro, nabigyan ng pagkakataong lumaban si Cuadro Alas para sa world title fight kung saan makakaharap nito ang kilabot na African champion na si Solani, the last born Tete. Ngunit hindi basta-basta itong si Tete mga bro, dahil ito ay may hawak sa record na pinakamabilis na knockout win sa isang world title fight nang pinatulog nito ang kapwa African na si Sibo Nisogonia sa loob lang ng 11 segundo. Isang 2-division world champion at may turing na pinakamagaling na champion sa South Africa. Sa katunayan, hindi na bago ang kanyang pangalan sa mga Pinoy boxer dahil bumiktima na ito ng 5 Pinoy bago man lang niya nakaharap si Janrel Cuadro Alas Casimero, kung saan huli nitong tinalo ang Pinoy prospect na si King Arthur Villanueva na bumagsak sa 11th round at natalo via unanimous decision. Kaya ganun na lang ang nasa isip ni Tete mga bro, na napakadaling talunin lang ang mga Pinoy. Kumbaga, itong si Casimero ay pampataba na lang sa kanyang kartada bago niya harapin ang monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue, dahil ayon mismo kay Frank Warren ng Queensberry Promotion na nag-promote at nag-manage kay Solani na naikasa na si Tete kay Naoya Inoue dahil pinanigurado na nila na wawasakin lang ng African champion ang pambato ng Pinas na si Casimero. Kaya ito ay malaking insulto at talagang minaliit na ang mga Pinoy kahit wala pang laban, na para bang wala ng karapatan si Casimero na makuha ang titulo.
Disrespected when all this talk about other fights?
Palagay mo daw ba wala siyang respeto sa iyo kasi ang sinasabi at sinasabi ng lahat siya ang lalaban kay Inoue, parang naninigurado na?
Parang ayaw niya nang lalaban sa akin kasi gusto niya nang lalaban kay Inoue.
For him, he's talking about Inoue because he really hates to face him. He just wants to jump the gun and go to Inoue instead of passing to him.
Agad kay Inoue.
But he cannot do that. He is here. He believes he is here to upset in that plan of fighting Inoue.
Nangarap na siya na lalaban kay Inoue.
He's already dreaming of Inoue when in fact he has to really deal with reality. Janrel Casimero.
Dito sa akin lalaban, dito siya mababagsak.
Tara mga bro, ating panoorin ang laban na naganap sa Utileta Arena sa Birmingham, United Kingdom. Ito ay para sa pangatlong depensa ni Tete sa kanyang WBO World Bantamweight title na naganap noong November 30, 2019.
And believing that he can defeat this brilliant South African.
Sa round 1 pa lang mga bro, inatake na ni Casimero ang depensa nitong African champion. Ngunit kagaya ng mga sinasabi ni Tete, na ang kanilang game plan ay huwag agad madaliin ang naghahamon na si Casimero, kung saan labanan ito sa distansya at gamitin ang kanyang height at reach advantage.
Not shortening the gap. Tete, tremendous athlete, stands 5'9", only weighed 8 stone 4. He wants the brilliant Japanese fighter Naoya Inoue, who beat Nonito Donaire in that terrific fight. What was it, 3 weeks ago? It could have been Tete in the final had he been able to beat Donaire, but he pulled out of that Super Series with a shoulder injury. last year. It was that fight last October. And that was that sort of fight, wasn't it? He won by about a 4 or 5 point margin, but he never really took any risks.
If you can be effective, or if Tete can read it, and as we said earlier, whip that uppercut on the target.
Sean Gibbons representing the little master over here. He's the chief executive officer or something of Pacquiao Promotions.
Or something.
Yeah, well, it's a significant job, you know. President, so I'm not sure which it was.
Again, Casemiro got too much experience just to rush in because he knows he'll walk onto shots, but also with him not doing that means he's not being remotely effective.
Tete just looks huge in comparison to Casemiro, which this is a little bit at the moment.
Yeah, it is. You know, and again, Casemiro's trying to attack, but short little right hand there. I thought it was half a head as well.
Maagang nakontrol ng Africa ng laban, kung saan matyaga namang naghahanap ng paraan ang Pinoy na si Casimero kung paano maipatama ang kanyang mga pamatay na bomba. Sa pag-aakalang kontrolado na ng Africa ng takbo ng laban at wala nang pwedeng gawin ang mas mababa na si Casimero, tila nakalimutan ni Tete na pwedeng magbagong laban sa isang suntok lang ng Pinoy na si Cuadro Alas. Dito nagugulatin mga bro ng Pinoy na si Casimero ang mundo ng bantamweight division, kung saan dahil dito nag-umpisang nakaramdam ng takot ang kampo ng Hapon na si Naoya Inoue. Mula sa tatlong magkasunod na kanan ni Casimero, bumagsak ang African champion. Lasing na itong tumayo, ngunit nalampasan pa naman nito ang bilang ng referee.
Casemiro got it!
He's took to the chin.
And he's in trouble.
He's all over the place.
He's in real trouble. Tete's in a lot of trouble. And the referee wants to look at him. He's allowing it to continue. But can Casemiro take him out here? It happened so quickly. And he's still got a long way to go in this round. There's 1 minute 20 seconds. And Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casemiro miss. Casemiro needs to...
Mula sa isang solid na kaliwa, bumagsak ulit ang pambato ng Africa. Ngunit nakatayo pa rin ito at lalaban. Kaya dito na siya pinaulanan ng malalakas na suntok ni Casimero at itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
Referee asking, is he okay? Casemiro wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has. The title changes hands in sensational fashion. Zolani Tete stopped by John Riel Casemiro, and Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casemiro miss. Casemiro needs to pick his punches. Referee asking, is he okay? Casemiro wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish the Philippines, and the big South African favourite suffers a defeat which was simply not expected, no way.
Panalo si Casimero mga bro via technical knockout at inangkin ang WBO World Bantamweight title at naging pang-apat na Pinoy na naging 3 Division World Champion. Kaya ngayon mga bro, suportahan na lang natin ang sunod na laban ni Casimero matapos bugbugin ang Hapon na si Reo Akao sa kanyang pagbabalik aksyon.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.